because we ourselves and then our audience has to have a solid understanding of the brand essence, what the brand serves. And it's for you, it's a guiding light. For your audience, it's a guiding light. And it has to have consistency and clarity in all the communication. It's always about clarity. Yeah. So this is the first step to get clarity into fuzziness. The next is so that people can better understand, can better connect with it. Create a story, engage in brand storytelling. Yeah. And share your brand story, the story of your brand, of your becoming, and why you are doing what you are doing in a transparent manner. So within the story, highlight your values. Why are your values your values? For example, why is beauty my one of my core values? People will say, why beauty? Is she crazy? Is she such a superficial person? No, I'm not. It has something to do with my being, with my evolution from a flight attendant to a business owner. Firstly, everything shines from the outside, but also from the inside of how you create exceptional services. And it's about the beauty of the story of the entrepreneur or of the brand. It's about why. Yeah. And beauty also comes from within and shines to the outside through the brand elements, through a name, through colors, through a tagline, through the logo. There's a lot of things that you kind of express your brand visually. A brand always makes you feel. That's why a brand is here for. And a lot of people confuse branding and marketing. And
yep, we sure did.
You sure did. The difference is that a brand defines, it shapes how others perceive you. Marketing delivers that message. Yeah. So marketing is a tool, and marketing changes over time. We have different ways from guerrilla marketing to this marketing, social media marketing, direct marketing, broadcast marketing, and so on. But your brand is the constant core, the core essence that usually should stay consistent. Maybe over time, a logo just evolves and changes, it's going with trends. Look at Kellogg's, look at Coke. These are some logos that also change over time. Look at Tide as a brand, right? But the core, what it means to people, usually stays consistent.